Today we will fundamentally discuss the Holo cost assumption for 2022, 2025 and 2030. Considering the thought underneath, which generally is genuinely critical, the expense of a computerized cash is one of the fundamental components to think about in an unobtrusive manner. Computerized monetary standards really have been an unbelievable accomplishment, and all the while for by and large certain clients, a mishap situation perspective. All things considered, sellers and monetary benefactors fundamentally are consistently looking for cost assumptions comprehensively and need to generally know the reactions to these routinely explained major problems explicitly. Is Holo hot? A shrewd endeavor. How much will Holo basically be worth in 2025? Or how certainly much will Holo be especially worth in 10 years? Which is very critical. Placing assets into any crypto in the sort of lengthy and transient will be certainly analyzed truly start to finish in a significant manner. Inquisitively it's tangled if we're placing assets into hot or on the by and large other hand, expecting Holo will get by for the accompanying several years in a very huge manner. In any case, we ought to examine the Holo hot frame and a truly short preamble to this rapidly creating crypto before progressing forward toward the accompanying point in a significant manner. Holo right presently explicitly stays at 0002 USD with a market cap of 338,481,095, which truly makes it rank 89 in the overview of most huge coins, which by and large is genuinely critical. Hot in a real sense has a 24-hour volume of 16,236,120. According to the tech newsletter Value List, Holo cost regard generally has changed 252 at this point in an unobtrusive manner. Over the latest 7 days, the expense of hot is changed by 527. In an unpretentious manner, it in a real sense is confined to a furthest reaches of 173,328,567,615 coins, or so they in a real sense thought. Hot value estimate 2022 for extremely long stretch Holo cost assumptions. Crucial examination is principal to the extent that industry benefits. The nearby representative in every practical sense offers a couple exceptionally, in spite of prevalent thinking, the autonomy of the electronic economy makes it for the most part great as dApps and stablecoins create the association, offers programmable and merciless portion tasks, and limit decisions in a very significant way. It fundamentally is possible that the in every practical sense ordinary expense of hot will addition to around 0003 by 2022. Expecting in every practical sense, more monetary supporters are attracted to the idea for 2022. The year can end with a biggest most certainly worth of 0004, with a base fundamentally worth level of 0003. In a really significant manner. Holo value expectation 2023. The continuous worth extent of Holo might hold any significance with various shippers, and thusly hot can essentially reach 0006 by 2023. With huge support with money-related establishments, if the going with conditions really are fundamentally met with a run-of-the-mill cost of 0005 for 2023. It can by and large beat the latest worth example to show up at new highs, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. Certainly the worth trademark could move, as the crypto market could especially see another rise, heading towards 2023 Holo value expectation. 2024 hot explicitly has monstrous potential, with certainly unambiguous facilitated endeavors and progressions can fabricate the amount of clients and potion in a significant manner. Expecting the market revolves around placing assets into Holo, the expense could rise impressively, sort of something else by 2024. It can all things considered show up at a biggest exceptionally worth of 0008, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The hot should turn a sort of minimal if the market goes down in an unobtrusive manner. The year 2024 can end with a run-of-the-mill cost of 0007, with a base expense of 0007 and a biggest expense of 0008, which is genuinely huge Holo value forecast 2025. It especially looks like by 2025 Holo hot costs will fundamentally have essentially shown up at a level like they're extremely past all time, genuinely high by 2025. We can expect a run-of-the-mill cost of 0010 in an unobtrusive manner, expecting all works out in a very decent manner. We guess that the best expense of Holo could explicitly reach 0011 in 2025, which explicitly is very critical clearly there in a real sense. Our chances that the market will debilitate out after a very lengthy bullish period, and that is ordinary for the computerized cash market, in spite of mainstream thinking Holo value forecast 2026 and 2026, with extra gathering and associations between other pretty major blockchain networks. The expense of Holo would take off the most limit trading cost, could reach 0017 in 2026, in a by and large huge manner the expense breaches will be extremely moving, expecting we continue with that way in a by and large significant manner. If all works out positively we can for the most part expect an ordinary expense of 0015, with a generally lovely outrageous expense of 0017 for 2026. Hot value conjecture 2027 Holo pretty worth will increase through the undertakings of association creators and neighborhood benefactors in a genuinely significant manner, likewise not entirely set in stone for the year 2027. By and large is bullish, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Hot by and large should especially show up at a most especially outrageous worth degree of 0025, close to the completion of 2027. According to analysts, in an unpretentious way on the other hand, he generally is incredibly confident that the destiny of Holo will at last for the most part create likewise the really ordinary common expense of hot will basically be around 0020 to 0021 generally is typical in 2027, depending upon the market which especially is very critical as communicated in a comparable brand name. The best expense of the hot goes from 0020 to 0025 for 2027. Amazingly hot value conjecture 2028 hot will in every practical sense be considered to be a genuinely prevalent decision. And with the monstrous neighborhood Holo course, will really show up at new levels. Esteem instabilities in every practical sense are trying to expect, especially expecting the market in a real sense, is more bullish or sort of negative than some other time in late memory. In an unobtrusive way for the year 2028, the expense of Holo will sort of be around 0031. In an unpretentious manner, the best worth we can generally get is 0036, in a truly significant manner, the sort of ordinary run-of-the-mill cost in every way that really matters in spite of prevalent thinking. Hot value estimate 2028 hot will be considered to be a very unrivaled decision. And with the truly monstrous truly neighborhood Holo course will in every way that really matters show up at new levels. Esteem changes by and large are in every practical sense difficult.